comes to social media. So please use a great format. This is something people are doing mistake right now. They are not creating a library of assets. So right now, if you see, I get a lot of text in between. I'm getting a lot of text. So I do see sometimes when I try to browse their profile, and I find something missing is they don't use the same post again and again. I'll tell you one secret. So for example, I joined LinkedIn in 2010. Okay, so it's been now 11 years, but I never posted something in 2013, rare, because I was in the college, I didn't have much time. I was working anyways with the clients. But I remember I did one post in 2014. It was something related with, if you're working in a company, should you send a Facebook request to your manager or, to your reporting? Okay, it got a huge kind of traction. It was an article specifically, so it got roughly 1,000 people to actually see that article. So that time 1,000 was a great number, right? So then I realized, okay, that time I hardly had roughly like 100 or 200 connections. So I was happy, getting 1,000 views was great, for an article. The same thing I used it in 2019. In 2019, I probably had again, roughly like 300 connections. Okay, so I didn't had much, but I got 5,000 views. So there you see the same post, I did, but I got more kind of visibility because again I did it again. And same thing can happen. So for example, today it's 14th March. Okay, so you have, let's say, 5,000 connections on LinkedIn, and you're posting something today, and you are going to post something on, let's say, May. Maybe you're launching another webinar and you're going to post something on May. So why not use the same post which you did in March, because you might have added a lot of new audience, and store those library of assets. So I store all my photos, because if you see my Facebook or even on LinkedIn, I share a lot of my personal photos. So all those photos you can reuse it. You can use the same kind of post, because maximum of the audience might have not seen it, because you're just adding them again, or you're adding them freshly new. So make sure to use that kind of a library of assets. So as I mentioned, photo assets is something you really need to create a folder. So create, let's say you're at office, click a photo, ask your colleague to click a photo. You're at a public gathering with your family, you went to a restaurant, take a photo. Or you're at your home, and you found something very interesting background, or you can use a Zoom background, just like how I'm using. So that way you can click more photos, and keep the headline, or you can keep the photo as photo assets. Graphic assets. So this is also something I personally I've really loved hiring graphic designers, so they can make something great posts, something like that. But you can still learn a little bit through Canva if you want. So you can go to Canva and make some great posts and edit it, if you know Photoshop as well. So that way you can make great graphic assets as well, because that's what your personal story should tell about. And all those fixed posts which you are doing, so 30 posts I do every month, so those are my fixed posts. So it will relate something with my past experience, my history, what I have achieved in life, what are my milestones, and what I have learned from them. So these are some strategies which I'm implementing. You could also implement it right away. And then I will keep a library of my best posts. So I remember I did a post which had something around 6,000 views. This was on Binod, because that's what was trending. So I realized, people really like memes. Okay, so they really are open to posting something even on a social media platform, right? So once a while, why not post memes, so people can be interested in you, and they really feel, okay, this person is really funny. Okay, and they really like fun activities, because people really want to connect with people who are funny. So you see what are your best posts, and maybe I do it in 3 months, maybe once or twice. So similarly, you could also use those kind of memes. I get most of the memes from Reddit. I think that's the best platform. So I got one, something like Lay's versus Uncle Chips, or versus Haldiram. So which is better? Okay, so that kind of post I did, that also had a great attraction, on a social media post. So find which are your best posts, and try to double or leverage that again and again every quarterly, or you can do it more if you want. And next is your inspirational post. So if you find somebody who's very inspirational person, so you can share their post also, and make a folder, something noted as inspirational post. So this is something which I have not shared right now. So this is the first time I'm sharing right now in a webinar.